I'm Lauren with NSI Lab Solutions, and today I want to introduce you to our newest qualitative product called a snap stick. It's a single unit positive control bacteria. It's not quantitative, but you can grow your own cultures in your own laboratory, or you can prepare slants, or you can just QC your media with this unique positive control. Every unit comes in a Mylar sealed bag, so your freshness and shelf life is preserved. To use the product, you simply tear open the package. Your snap stick looks like this, and there is a peel-off label which you can use to label all of your plates, so you don't have to write anything. It saves you a lot of time and potential error. Now, to use the snap stick itself, you'll see the Microgel-Flash pellet is right there. This unique swab design allows you to keep it sterile until you're ready to use it by simply snapping, squeezing to hydrate the pellet, and wait for it to dissolve. It happens very quickly. Once it's fully dissolved, you are ready to use it. Now you'll see the pellet is completely dissolved, and we're ready to streak our plates. To streak your plates, just simply use the inoculated tip to apply about 100 microliters of solution. And that's it. You can use your media, or you can buy pre-prepared plates to further ease your workload. And when you're finished, it's conveniently biohazard disposable. This is what the cultures look like following 24 hours of incubation. As you can see, your cells look great, they're very healthy, and this is a quick and affordable way to QC your media or train your personnel, or simply run daily controls. Again, I'm Lauren Steinbach with NSI Lab Solutions. It's been a pleasure to speak with you today.